To get started, measure the height of the post or newel you'd like to wrap. Subtract 1/8 of an inch to allow for expansion and cut all 4/4 of your post wrap to length. Align and connect 2 of the 4 post wrap quarters in place around your post and compress together for a snug fit. Remove the assembled half and set it aside. Next, align and gently connect the remaining 2/4 of the wrap, but do not compress. Leave roughly 1/4 of an inch. Place the first assembled half into position and clamp into place. Align the channels and ribs of the second half with the first half and compress until all 4 sides are equal in width.